Hello guys, you can make this wonderful presentation in under 5 minutes. Make sure to watch the video till the end, because once again we are going to start making the slides from the scratch as well. So if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell icon as well. Now on to the tutorial. Now once again go to the blank presentation and make sure to change the picture of the background and select the picture that you want. Once again repeat the same process for the 4 slides as well. Make sure to have different images so that your presentation could look awesome. Alright, now it's time to generate the content for our slides. So we need to know about PEST Analysis, so we could ask ChatGPT to generate the content for our slides. Here we go. Now in the meantime, you can insert the shape which is required for the slide, and here make sure to align it properly in the slide. Once again remove the lines which is not needed and make it white. Repeat the same process for all the 4 slides. Now it's time to enter the letters. It's PEST, so we are starting with P. Now once again format the text according to the requirements and place it properly in the slide inside the shape. Now select both the text and the shape and click on combine option in merge shapes as well, and repeat the same process for all the 4 slides, and make sure to have the white color as well. Alright, adjust it properly and going to merge shape and click on combine, and always change the color of the shape once you have merged both. The text and the shape. Make sure to follow the process smoothly. It's quite simple as well. Alright, let's adjust the text a bit. Alright, now it looks better. Alright, now it's time to enter the contents for all the slides as well. And here we go. Once again, format the shape, the text, the color, the font, everything, and place it properly in all the slides. Now group all of them, group the text and the shape as well. Here we go. Alright, now select all the slides and go to transitions and click on rotate, and we are done. So here's the result of the tutorial. So hope you watched the tutorial till the end, and thanks once again. And for more such tutorials and insights, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell icon. Bye bye.